Hey guys, John here, and it's time for another giveaway, and this week we're drawing the winners for our Swedol video. So I had an exciting trip to Sweden over a big old long bridge and went to Swedol and Vert. Two great shops, found some great stuff, and also created a great little prize bundle. We had a Swedol notebook and pen, a Kex Swedish chocolate bar, which is like a bit of a Kit Kat and blue ribband in one. Pretty nice chocolate bar. We've got a Swedol 2 meter Zollstock, which I think is the highlight of the little bundle. You can only get one of those by going to Sweden, so that's pretty cool. And then the final little thing is some really bitter Swedish licorice, which blew my head off. Very bitter. I love licorice and I don't love that licorice, but I got 10 of them and there's 2 in each of these prize bundles. Now all you had to do was drop a comment on the Swedol video, make sure you subscribed in order to enter, and 726 people did exactly that. So we're going to draw 5 winners. First winner is Jonathan Andor. What a great name. This video is definitely worth a watch, he says. Great little pun. I don't know if you get more stuff for that, but it's very good, and you are our first winner. Congratulations, Jonathan. Second winner is Magnus. He's got a long message here. Let's read it. So he says, advice, next time you fly into Copenhagen, don't take the bridge. Drive north to Helsinge and take the ferry to Helsingborg. Better price. Also, the law about winter tyres only applies if it is actually winter weather, which it didn't look like. So Hertz screwed you on those £40. So yeah, very good advice. A bit of insider knowledge there. Kex in Sweden means crackers as well as wafers. Kex has been around for a long time, so the others are a copycat. Swedol is nice, but one needs to be aware of their prices. They cater to companies, sole proprietorship, and therefore their prices are without Mom's Swedish version of VAT. Add 25% of the price. Cheers from Sweden. Great advice there, Magnus, on the ferry crossing. I was trying to save some time, so took the bridge, a massive long bridge, and I'm glad that we travelled across it, but it was very expensive. It was an eye-watering toll on that bridge, but it was interesting nonetheless. But thanks for your tip, Magnus, and congratulations. Let's go for our next winner. Third winner is Drone Phantom, and he says, Kex chocolate is the best. I do agree, it was very good. Don't know if it's the best. Doesn't quite beat a Kit Kat for me, but it is good. Our fourth winner is Real Live Blues Cat, and he says, Plop is also a funny sounding name for chocolate for Brits. Do we have a Plop bar? I don't recall a Plop bar. Plop is also a funny sounding name for chocolate for Brits. Maybe you've got a Plop bar in Sweden, and I think if I'd have found that, I'd have definitely picked up 5 of those. Congratulations on being the winner there, Real Lives Blues Cat. Next up, and our last winner is Robert Lindholm, and he says, oh, superb, good video. Hope you will one day come over to Finland. We have a lot of good tool shops. I definitely will. We've already found 2 great Finnish brands, Fiskars and Magnum, that we stock on topnotchtools.co.uk. If you don't know about that, I'll put a link below to some great Finnish Magnum branded tools. But I do think Finland is one that we have to visit very soon, because I know there's some other stuff that we're missing out on. So congratulations to all of our winners. Don't worry if you've missed out. You can head over to John Show and check out any of the latest videos, and most of them have got a giveaway, all 5 bundles like this, and all you've got to do is drop a comment, make sure you subscribe. It's dead easy, don't miss out, go and drop yourself a comment, and hopefully you win the next one.